Well, the best moment about it was just creating something different and creating an atmosphere or a renovation for somebody, seeing something being built, something being planned and actually executed properly.
Working with the client is fun because they're excited about it, so it gets you excited about it, and then you feed off each other's energy to get this project to look like amazing, just like look at this kitchen. So, you know, that's what is the best part of it.
My experience with them was just fabulous. I loved their enthusiasm and the ease of way that they worked with us. They were always very accommodating, very easy to work with. Through everything, they had every step explained to us and was always communicating with us at every step, which was very, very nice to have.